Hello, I'm Stuart Smith. I'm an artist from Centrepieces, and this project is called Echoes of Hal Place. Hal Place has a wonderful history stretching back to Tudor times. Echoes of Hal Place is a photographic art installation celebrating that history and connecting it with the present and looking to the future. On display outside the visitor centre are 6 portraits. These are of contemporary subjects wearing period clothing. The portraits echo the type of visitor Hal Place may have seen over the years. Inside the visitor centre is a large mirror decorated with Tudor roses reflecting the history of the house and of course visitors who choose to look into it. Those choosing to use the mirror are invited to take a selfie and share it through social media using the hashtag EOHP2018. As an artist, I love using photography to create portraits to tell stories. Here I am using my art to reflect upon the history of Hal Place and connect with the present and consider the future. The photographic portraits echo the estate's history. The hand-decorated mirror gives the current custodians of the estate, the public, the opportunity to create their own portraits and share them for future generations to view through the hashtag.